Hi everyone, welcome to Phonemic Poem 3, the next lesson in this new series about pronunciation that I'm doing on Learn British English Free on YouTube. My name is Chris. The sound that we're looking at in this poem is one of the diphthongs. It's the oi sound. Oi. Like you see someone naughty you need to speak to. Oi, you. Your mouth needs to do a lot of work for this. Everything is forward. Oi. It all goes back and wide. Have a look. Oi. Oi. Let's try the poem. This is Phonemic Poem 3. Oi there, boy. Don't be coy. I-A-E. Toil is no joy. Annoying sounds your tongue will foil. Don't recoil. Ale, isle, eel, oil. Oily ointment. Pointing spoils choice. This loyal noise now joins your voice. How did that go? That was Phonemic Poem 3, practicing oi, one of the diphthong sounds in British English. Please write a comment to leave your feedback. I look forward to reading it. My name is Chris. Please join me on Learn British English Free on YouTube for these new phonemic poem lessons. We're also on the British English page on Facebook and the website www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk. Bye for now.